Hey guys, Silver here. This is wood chips in my yard. Got like two truckloads. It used to be like 3 feet high, 2 feet high over here. Composted down. It's really nice soil underneath. And here we got some Asian herbs like knotweed, mint. This is knotweed, and this is green onion. I planted from the store. It's growing really well. It grew about 12 inches, and this is radish from the store. Just regular radish I bought from the store, planted. It grew about 9 inches. I can eat it. When the radish leaves gets older, it's spikier, it's harder, rougher, so it's best to cook it. But when they're young and tender, I can eat in a salad. So it cuts down on buying lettuce in the store. So the ground has some soil in that my dad put in. Wood chips over here. I don't want to cover too much wood chips in where the plants are. I don't think. A little bit doesn't hurt. The green onion grows very well. It's a nice addition to soups. Saves money on. I think it's like, I don't know, $1.25 for 4 green onions, spring onions, 5 spring onions, a bunch, something like that. But yeah, I'm super happy with the way this turned out.